Okay, so today I got an email asking how to cut styrofoam molding, styrofoam crown molding, and it's quite simple. You cannot lay it flat on the saw as with the regular molding. What you have to do, you gotta put it on the saw the same way you are going to put it on your ceiling, or opposite way, but just cut it on 45. And here is how it's done. So you make sure that the top and the top is laying flat on the saw, and the back is laying flat on the fence of the saw. You hold it firmly in place, and then you just cut it. Just like that. So this is your right side in the corner for your molding. Okay, so this is going to be our left inside piece, inside corner piece. We are going to cut it like this, but we have to put it this way and make sure this is laying flat. Let's put some support below so that it doesn't really vibrate as much. Okay. So this piece helped us to hold the molding in place so it doesn't move, and these are the two pieces going together. So this is for the inside corner, remember, inside corner. Beautiful clean cut. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the outside corner, and this is going to be our left piece. This is the bottom as I marked it, bottom of the molding. And so I lay it this way and turn the saw to 45 degrees, holding it in place. I'll put something just for the support here. There it is, first cut. Now we're gonna cut the other side. So it's gonna have to go this way. So for that, I'm gonna have to turn the saw again. Make sure it's laying nice and flat on the saw and on the fence of the saw. That's it. That's your outside corner. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, send it to your friends, hit the share button on the bottom, go to our website decorativeceilingtiles.net for more information and cool products.